Hisense portable air conditioners offer multiple operating modes designed to meet different comfort needs. Understanding these modes helps you optimize performance and energy efficiency. Let's explore each operating mode and understand when to use them for maximum comfort and efficiency. Cooling mode is the primary function, allowing you to set your desired temperature and fan speed. The unit actively cools the room to reach and maintain your target temperature. Dry mode focuses on removing excess moisture from the air. The fan typically runs on low speed to maximize dehumidification while providing minimal cooling. Fan mode circulates air without any cooling. This is useful for air movement and can help distribute cool air throughout the room while using minimal energy. Smart mode automatically adjusts temperature and fan speed based on current room conditions. This intelligent feature optimizes comfort while maximizing energy efficiency. Sleep mode gradually adjusts the temperature throughout the night for optimal sleeping comfort. It typically runs quieter and adjusts settings to maintain comfortable conditions while you rest. You can control your Hisense portable air conditioner using either the built-in control panel or the included remote control. Both offer access to all operating modes and settings. Temperature adjustment is available in cooling mode using the plus and minus buttons. Fan speed can typically be set to high, medium, or low, though some modes like dry automatically control the fan speed for optimal performance. Understanding these modes and settings allows you to maximize your Hisense portable air conditioner's performance. Select the appropriate mode based on your comfort needs and environmental conditions for optimal results. Regular filter maintenance is crucial for optimal air conditioner performance. Clean air filters prevent reduced cooling efficiency and maintain proper airflow throughout your system. Proper ventilation around your air conditioner is equally important. Ensure at least 2 feet of clearance on all sides for unobstructed airflow and maximum efficiency. When your air conditioner isn't working properly, try this simple reset procedure first. Unplug the unit, hold the power button for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves minor electronic glitches. If your air conditioner still isn't blowing cold air after resetting, check for these common issues. Look for refrigerant leaks, listen for unusual compressor sounds, and verify all electrical connections are secure. Many Hisense models feature I-Feel mode, where the remote control acts as a temperature sensor. Place the remote in your desired location, and the unit will adjust cooling based on the temperature at the remote's position rather than the unit itself. For serious issues like refrigerant leaks or compressor failure, contact a qualified HVAC technician. These problems require specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and repair safely.